our way up Prairie and check out some of the developments with the living situations and go from there. This is kind of cool. There's a signage there for a construction entry for the Sinopolis 12-plex, 1233 South District Drive, and the new theater coming out sometime soon. So there's one section here of the residential that looks just about finished. This section running up along Prairie, there are some windows, and then on the balconies there are some rails that have been installed. Top layer there, you can see some kind of it's called blue skin. I guess that's some kind of sheathing. Here on Hardy Street, you can see this tail end of residential that looks about finished. I can't tell if this is some kind of field turf maybe from the stadium or somewhere else where they had some kind of a temporary event.